nothing goes to waste. Now in a restaurant, a chicken this good would cost you easily between 100 to 120 ringgit. Let me show you how to make this at a fraction of the cost. I'm going to do a brine now. Water in the pot, salt, sugar, give it a stir. Now your liquids have come to a boil. The salt and sugars have dissolved. Turn off the heat, you put in your ice. We got a whole 2 kilo plus bird here. We want to take out that wishbone. You want to make an incision along that bone. You go to the other side, go all the way up to the breastbone. Pry that bone. You go down from the right and you unhinge that bone from the bottom. Now you go to the left, you do the same thing. The bone comes out as one piece. This is the already cooled brine. You want to fill it up to the top. You're going to give the chicken a massage and turn it around every 12 hours for 48 hours. We're going to give this chicken a rinse. We're going to put a good pinch of salt, black pepper. We're going to stuff it with some rosemary, some thyme, and some garlic slices. Now to truss the chicken, what you need is butcher twine. Right at the middle of the butcher twine, you go underneath the bishop's nose. You do a double knot. Go over the backbone, turn the chicken over. You want to go 1, 2, onto that neck bone. Go underneath that breast, all the way to the keel. You're going to do a double knot, do it tight, boom. You want to tie the legs. Again, double knot. Overlap the legs, double knot again. Secure with a final knot. Cut off any excess butcher string. You want to slit this under the breast. Perfectly trusted chicken. Make a bit of aromatic vegetables, carrots, onions, celery, leeks, whole head of garlic cut in half. Put a bit of parchment paper on it. You want to glaze it with some corn oil, good liberal pinch of salt. Let's go black pepper. So now this beautiful prep bird goes into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes to an hour. Roast chicken at the thickest part has hit 65 degrees Celsius. It's time to take your chicken out. Do not cut the chicken straight away. Leave it to rest tented for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. We're going to be making a roux now. Going to add a butter and melt it in the pot. You want to sieve your flour? Just as your butter is melted, turn down the heat, add in your flour. You want to cook the flour out and develop the flavors. You can smell the nutty aromas like jam tarts baking. You can see the butter and flour is browned a little bit. Take all these vegetables, aromatics, put it into a sauce pot. You can cook this out. The smells that are coming through is just chicken and umami flavors. Deglaze the pan slowly. You can add your tomato paste for body. Liquids have come to a boil. Yeah, add in my roux. Got to break that roux down. The roux is going to thicken up that sauce. I'm going to strain it. So I'm trying to push whatever pulp I can through the sieve. Yeah, that's good. Do you know a good roast chicken can make any occasion special? Give a try on my roast chicken. Tell me what you think.
With pleasure. The breast part. It's hard to find chicken breast that's that moist.
Well, I do brine the chickens for 48 hours, making it tender and juicier. Try it with some gravy now.
Can you tell me what makes it this awesome?
As the chicken is roasting, its juices, its fats fall down onto these vegetables, and we use that vegetables to make the gravy.
So nothing goes to waste.